Hi, welcome to Pinoy Swiss Abroad. If you're new to my channel, please try to watch in full before subscribing. Thank you. As you can see, some shops are still closed. We are still on a lockdown level 3.1, which means we can go out to do our essential errands and of course do our exercises outside for our mental health. And of course, the government is always urging everyone so we can get a 90% job or for all New Zealanders. We are on our way to do our morning walk. Morning walk or any time of day that you walk is good for your mental health. Please come and join us again on this walking tour. Sa mga kababayan ko po dyan, sama lang po kayo sa amin at ganun din ako sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. Yes, we're walking under the bridge and this is another way, a shortcut to cross and the safest way to cross to the other side. The cyclist also comes here, so we have to be careful if they're coming. As you can hear the some of the cars because this is near the main road. Yes, we're already on the other side of the street or other side of the road. Nasa kabila na po tayo. Every time I check out new parks or places, I always get to see some new plants or unfamiliar plants that I want to check out. Sama lang po kayo sa amin. At ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang mga iba pang mga plants, mga trees na nandito. Siguro naman alam nyo po yan. That is a cherry blossom. And this is a different type of tree. Kakaiba po siya, di ba po? Para po siyang grass. This tree looks like a grass. And this is a different type of acorn tree. Oh, so now we know this is a Mediterranean tree. So it comes from those places and it's called the umbrella pine or stone pine. It's really a huge tree. And this one looks like a dead tree, but I don't think so. It's just probably the leaves will come at a certain season. I'm not sure what season is that. It's like a woodpecker picking. There is a hole in here. We almost reached the end of this park because that road over there is actually going to the other side of the road, which is going to a different suburb. We really have a lot of parks here in New Zealand, especially in the West Auckland. In every suburb or subdivisions or any place, there have a mini park nearby. And if you want a bigger park, you just have to drive a few kilometers. In these times of pandemic, walking clears your mind. It's good for our mental health. So please do it. It's good exercise too. I hope you like this video. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also please support Eat Avenue. Thank you very much sa mga nakaabot sa dulo. Salamat po.